Hello students, good morning. Welcome to our EVS period. Now to take out your EVS workbook page number 51. Open fast. Lesson name Our Environment. Our Environment. Written practice. Question. Name the following. First question. Any 5 natural things. Any 5 natural things. Now write here. Answer. First, animals. 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 Birds. 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 Next, water resource. WATERRESOURCES. Water resource. And next, forest. FORESTS. Forest 1 2 3 4. And last, sky. Okay, name the following. First question. Any 5 natural things. Answer. Animals, birds, water resource, forest, sky. ANIMALS. Animals. BIRDS. Birds. WATER. Water. RESOURCES. Water resource. FORESTS. Forest. And SKY. Sky. Question number 2. Any 5 man-made things. Any 5 man-made things. Now write your answer. Houses. 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 Buildings. 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 Shops. 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 Schools. 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 Temples. 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 Learn by heart. Any 5 man-made things. Answer. HOUSES. Houses. BUILDINGS. Buildings. SHOPS. Shops. SCHOOLS. Schools. TEMPLES. Temples. Okay. Next question. Oral test. First, answer orally. First, what does natural environment mean? What does natural environment mean? Tell me answer. What does natural environment mean? Natural environment means all living and non-living things. Natural environment means all living things and non-living things occurring naturally. Okay. Now next question. What do we have in our surroundings? What do we have in our surroundings? In our surroundings, natural things and man-made things. Natural things and man-made things. Living things and non-living things. Question 3. Name any 5 things found in our surrounding. Tree, people, vehicles, buildings, animals, shops, temples, mud. Okay? Are you understood? Answer orally. First question. What does natural environment mean? Natural environment means all living and non-living things occurring naturally. Meaning. Okay? Second, what do we have in our surroundings? In our surroundings, living things, non-living things, natural things, man-made things. 3. Name any 5 things found in our surrounding. Answer: trees, people, vehicles, buildings, animals, temples, shops. Okay. Next question. Name the following. First, 5 wild animals. 5 wild animals. Wild animals live in forest. Okay. Deers, elephants, monkey, snakes. Second, 5 domestic animals: cow, buffalo, horse, camel, cat. 5 things in your school bag: pencil, eraser, compass, bag, water bottle, book, notebook. And fourth question, 5 means of transport: bullock cart, car, bus, aeroplane, helicopter, bicycle. Okay, are you understood? Workbook page number 51. Question: name the following. First question, any 5 natural things. Answer: animals, birds, water, resource, forest, sky. Second, any 5 man-made things. Answer: houses, buildings, shops, schools, temples. And answer orally. First question, what does natural environment mean? Natural environment means all living and non-living things. What do we have in our surroundings? Living things, non-living things, natural things, man-made things. Question 3, name any 5 things found in our surrounding. Trees, peoples, vehicles, buildings, animals, shops, temples, mud. Name the following. First, 5 wild animals. Wild animals live in forest. Now, learn by heart wild animals name: deer, elephant, snake, monkey, tiger, lions. Second, 5 domestic animals: cat, horse, camel, cow, buffalo. Third, 5 things in your school bag: compass, pencil, eraser, book, notebook, water bottle. Fourth, 5 means of transport: car, bus, aeroplane, train, helicopter, bicycle. Okay, learn by heart all answers. And page number 51, EVS workbook, page number 51. Write in your EVS notebook. Next page open, page number 52. Individual activity. Look at the following which are found in our surroundings. Choose from the brackets the correct name and write below each pictures. In brackets: cow, bus, sun, flower, girl, train, parrot, mountain, river, temple, well, bicycle. Bracket complete. Okay. Look at this first picture. What is this? Girl. She is girl. Now write here girl spelling: GIRL, girl. Next picture, what is this? Flower. This is flower, FLOWER, flower. Next, what is this? Tell me answer. Train, TRAIN, train. Next, sun, SUN, sun. Next, cow, COW, cow. And river, R-I-V-E-R, river. Next, parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Next, bus. B-U-S, bus. And this, temple. T-E-M-P-L-E, temple. Bicycle. B-I-C-Y-C-L-E, bicycle. And this whale. W-E-L-L, whale. And last, mountain. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N, mountain. Okay. EVS workbook, page number 52. Individual activity. Look at the following which are found in our surroundings. Choose from the brackets the correct name and write below each picture. In brackets, cow, bus, sun, flower. Read with me. Girl, train, parrot, mountain, river, temple, whale, bicycle. Bracket complete. Look at this first picture. What is this? Girl. G-I-R-L, girl. Flower. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. T-R-A-I-N, train. S-U-N, sun. C-O-W, cow. R-I-V-E-R, river. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. B-U-S, bus. T-E-M-P-L-E, temple. B-I-C-Y-C-L-E, bicycle. W-E-L-L, whale. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N, mountain. Okay. Now, EVS workbook, page number 51 and 52. Write in your EVS notebook. Very important. All questions and answers. Okay. Next page open. Test 5, question 1. Answer the following question. First question. What does the doctor do? What does the doctor do? The doctor treats us when we are sick. He gives medicines to cure us.